Hi everybody, in this following video I'm going to explain about my project work titled as Segmentation of Mammogram Images and Feature Extraction for Classification. The aim is to obtain statistical data features of benign and malignant cancerous tissue from segmented mammogram images. Objectives: to segment the tumor using counter-Lie transform and perform morphological operations, and then using gray-level co-occurrence matrix and gray-level run-length matrix we can obtain statistical data for both benign and malignant tumors which can be used for further classifications. Abstract: breast cancer is one of the main causes of cancer death in women. Early detection is efficiently performed by using digital mammograms. This research will be developed methods that can be used to detect abnormality of breast cancer. Step by step to classify normal and abnormal cases on digital mammogram is image acquisition, which images are taken from database. Find the region of interest using morphology algorithm. Feature extraction using GLCM and GLRM. The obtained features are further used for classification of malignant from benign tumors. Methodology consists of three phases, in which pre-processing image remove noise is the first phase, and the next one using counter-Lie transform, and the final one is post-processing, that is performing morphological operations. Segmentation process consists of these following steps: resizing image, counter-Lie transform, median filtering, morphological operations, that is erosion, interpolation, gradient texture estimation, interpolation, watershed transform, and forming clusters maximum to 10, identifying segmented image, displaying segmented tumor. Segmentation output images are given in this following slide: original image, modulated intensity gradient, texture gradient, total gradient, segmented image, image labeled by cluster index, objectives in cluster 1, which is followed by another objectives in cluster of 10. This is the slide that is showing segmentation result. Feature extraction. For feature extraction of mammogram images, we have used two algorithms, namely GLCM and GLRM. GLCM, gray level co-occurrence matrix. A total of 26 features including histogram, intensity, autocorrelation, contrast, entropy, energy, maximum power are extracted from mammogram images, followed by the table values. GLRM, Gray Level Run Length Matrix, is a matrix from which the text features can be extracted from texture analysis. The 7 selected features are SRE, LRE, GLN, RLN, GRE, HGRE, SRLGE, with features as prediction can distinguish malignant mass image and benign mass with a level of accuracy of 92.3%, followed by the table. Snapshots of GLCM features and GLRM features are given in these slides. Conclusion: in this study, a texture-based analysis of digital mammograms using counter-Lie coefficient co-occurrence matrix feature is proposed. The method proves the potential of counter-Lie transform and second-order texture features for classification problem. Texture features based on GLRM can be used to distinguish between malignant masses and benign masses on ultrasound images. With accuracy levels, they are relatively lower than texture features based on GLCM and texture features based on combined GLRLM and GLCM. Texture features based on GLCM can be used to distinguish between malignant masses and benign masses on mammogram images, with accuracy levels higher than texture features based on GLRLM but still lower than texture features based on combined GLRLM and GLCM. Important texture features to distinguish malignant masses and benign masses on mammograms are SRE, LRE, GLN, RLN, GRE, HGRE, SRLGE, energy, inertia, entropy, max prop, inverse. References are given in this following slide. Thank you.